Galing, tawagin na natin siya. When you're ready po, Coach Tin Herrera, take it away.
Yay! Ayan. So, Fearless Friday sa ating lahat. O, di ba? Fearless, hi, Sis Je. So, again, magandang buhay sa ating lahat na nandito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club at sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa FB Live. So, thank you so much, Sister Lori, sa napakagandang introduction. Ayan, lahat tayo maganda. Coach Chow, maraming salamat sa iyo. Sige po. And I'm so excited to be with you this morning dahil ang ganda ng topic natin today. No? So, if you are ready, pwede ba kayo mag-type dyan ng 10? Yan, if you're ready, sige nga, tignan natin. At syempre sa lahat ng nagse-celebrate ng birthday today, happy birthday every day. Ayan, sige po. So bago ako magpatuloy, let me just share with you briefly ang aking story sa Herbalife. No? So ang background ko po, ako po ay dating full-time na empleyado, no, at part-time po ako na hair and makeup artist. No? And ang hindi maganda sa klase ng lifestyle ko, dalawang anak ko noon, masyado po akong workaholic. I don't have much time, no, sa pagtutok, pag-alaga sa kanila. Bukod pa doon ay ang hindi pagiging healthy, no? Very unhealthy po yung lifestyle ko. Mahilig sa fast food, mahilig sa unlimited rice, mahilig po sa kape. Yan, I don't observe yung tamang pagtulog. Hindi rin po ako mahilig sa exercise. Ayan. Pati po yung pag-inom ng tubig, no? Sobrang kulang po ako diyan. At yung isa pa doon, napakamaldita ko. 'Di ba? So, I found the solution. I'm just so grateful. No, wait lang po ha. So, I'm just so grateful I found the solution dito sa Herbalife. No, I got started with a 10-day program, guys. No, yung kanina na na-share po sa inyo, yan yung isa na pinaka maganda. Wait lang po, guys. So, okay na. Alright. Okay, wait lang po. Alright, dali lang. Okay po. Sige. Going back, sobrang grateful ako nakita ko yung solution dito. No, una, dahil nga hindi maganda yung lifestyle, ayan po ako nung unang panahon, 136 pounds po ako niyan, no? Ang mundo ko ay nasa opisina. May mga field work din naman po ako sa labas niyan dito po sa Pilipinas, no? Tapos nag-lose ako 30 pounds, 'di ba? 8 inches sa aking bewang. I'm turning 47 this year. I'm just so grateful. I'm not taking any maintenance medications. I also have an Herbalife baby, no? After 9 years of waiting, dahil yan nag-improve talaga yung lifestyle. And of course, because of this amazing nutrition support and community. No? Like what I said, nakakabait dito sa Herbalife. Yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang naging journey ko dito. The journey of becoming more. It's not just about the pounds that I lost, no, but really the kind of person that I am becoming every single day. I think yun yung isa sa pinaka-importante. So kaya nilagay ko talaga yung picture na yan kasi recently we just attended the extravaganza. Dito ko nakita, 'di ba? That was 11 years ago, no, na ako ay nasa isang opisina, no? Yes, dito sa Pilipinas nakakapunta ako. But this time it's a different, no, experience, an extraordinary experience to represent your country, no, na you are one of God's chosen one dito sa Pilipinas para tulungan ang mga kapwa namin Pilipino na maging healthy. Most importantly, my family. So yan yung isa sa pinaka-best gift. Ang pinaka-gusto ko pa dito, yung freedom of time din, no, that I could take care of my family full-time while doing Herbalife pa din full-time and making a difference, no, sa buhay ng maraming tao. So yeah, so that's why I really love Herbalife Nutrition. O, di ba? Sige po. So ngayon, ang ganda ng topic natin. No? So, nutrition-wise, number 20, di ba, male and female abdominal fat. So, familiar ba kayo dyan? So, tignan natin ang ating mga tiyan. No? So, ang source natin ito ay kay Dr. David Heber pa din to.com. May additional resource po tayo na nilagay. Pwede nyong i-visit yan, no? cdc.gov. It's actually Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Alright? So, ngayon, ito po yung nabanggit, no, ni Dr. David Heber dito sa topic na to, no? Sabi dito ni Dr. David Heber, both men and women get extra abdominal fat inside the body when they eat more calories than they burn. Alright? So, para sisay natin, dati, di ba, para, ay, hindi naman ako mindful sa calories na ini-input ko. Di ba? So, hindi din pala okay that you are not being mindful dahil kapag ka talagang kumain tayo ng sobra sa capacity ng katawan natin, sigurado yan. Tapos hindi mo siya binurn, diba? Sigurado na magkakaroon ng extra abdominal fat. Diba? Sabi nga niya dito, ito yung first fat na nagigain natin when we overeat, okay, or under-exercise. Alright? And ito din yung first fat na nalulose natin kapag ka naman po tayo ay nasa weight loss program. Alright? Tapos pinakita din dito, usually pag lalaki, pansinin po ninyo, no? Yung weight po, 'di ba? More weight above dun sa waistline. Tama po? Sa atin ng mga babae, pansin na pansin yan, more weight below dun sa waistline natin. No? Kaya minsan nakala nila meron tayong belt, 'di ba? Si Coach Lori yan. Tinanggal ko ang belt, ano yan, belt bag yan. Tulog ng Herbalife, 'di ba? So yan. And ito din yung sabi niya, no? Yung fat na to, nag-occur siya, both pear-shaped and apple-shaped women and in all men who never get lower body fat. Alright? Ngayon, this is the interesting part, no? Na kailangan alam natin. Okay? Yung abdominal fat po pala, ina-attract po niya yung white blood cells from the bone marrow as it grows. Kaya siya nagko-cause ng inflammation. No? So, totoo po pala, no? Na kapag ka meron talagang bump dyan, no? Hindi lang yan kasi yung iba sabihin tubig lang yan, beer lang yan, diba? Hindi po pala talaga siya joke, no? So, pwede talaga siyang mag-cause ng inflammation. Kaya meron tayong ganyan, no? Na visual representation, okay? Ngayon, ito po yung sabi dito. This is according to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Excessive abdominal fat may be serious because it places you, me, our family member, no, at greater risk for developing obesity-related conditions, okay, such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and coronary artery disease, okay, or tinatawag na CAD, okay? Ngayon, eto guys, kahit hindi pa pala tayo tumuntong sa timbangan, okay, yung waistline na to, yung waistline natin, alright, it may be telling us that we have a higher risk of developing obesity-related conditions. Okay? If you are, pwede nyo po itong picturean. Tapos, pagkatapos po natin, kumuha kayo ng medida dyan sa bahay nyo. Kung wala, pumili ka. Okay? Please take note, pag lalaki. Okay? Pag lalaki po, pag ang kanyang waist circumference is more than 40 inches. Okay? Take note of that. Higher risk po, no, of developing obesity-related conditions. Kapag ka naman po sa babae, ito ay hindi ka buntis. Okay, you're not pregnant. Okay, tapos ang waist circumference is more than 35 inches. Ayan, please take note of this one. Alright, so feel free to share ha. Kung may group chat kayo ng family ninyo, i-share po ninyo ito sa kanila para alam po nila. Okay? Ngayon, ang tanong, di ba ang daming way para mag-measure ng bewang, no? So, ito po yung tama pala na pagsusukat. Okay, so pwede naman po natin yung picturean and apply it after. No? Pero yung sa step 1, sabi lang din po dyan. Tapos may picture naman guys para talaga may ma-visualize po natin siya. No? So stand and place a tape measure around dun sa middle, just above daw dun sa hip bone natin. No? So yung make sure na yung tape po, horizontal po siya. Okay, around the waist. Okay, tapos make sure din na ano po siya, hindi niya naman hinihigpitan. Okay. yung ano natin, parang hindi mo naman siya, tawag doon in Tagalog. Tama, higpit, di ba? Yung parang masyadong tight na, no? Tapos ano pa? Measure your waist just after you breathe out. Okay? Kaya pala very important to. Breathe in. Okay, tapos breathe out. So pag breathe out po ninyo, yun po yun. Doon ka na magsukat. Okay, this is again according to the cdc.gov. Okay? Now, ano ang goal? 'Di ba? Ang goal talaga natin is just, kasi iba parang goal magka-abs. Not exactly, no? But really to get rid of that abdominal fat. Okay, ngayon, ang sabi ni Dr. David Heber, paano nga ba natin yung tatanggalin? Di ba, wala naman tayo like kutsilyo, tapyasin, kung pwede lang, di ba? Ang bilis, no? Para nagluluto lang tayo. No, but according to Dr. David Eber, ano ang makaka-help sa atin? No, so balanced nutrition, take note of this, and a healthy, active lifestyle can help you lose abdominal fat and reduce inflammation. Okay, magkakambal sila. Okay, take note ha. It's not just about balanced nutrition, but it's also about healthy, active lifestyle, right? With that being said, let me share with you, no, ang masasabi naman ng isa sa mga highly esteemed doctors din natin about balanced nutrition.
We don't always examine what we eat every day. We may not realize our food choices could be hurting our health. I'm Dr. Luigi Grodin, here to share the power of good nutrition and show you how simple choices can make you healthier. It all starts with having balanced nutrition. Essentially, that means 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Don't forget to add in fiber and stay hydrated. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of fuel, and many of them are packed with nutrients. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are the best sources of carbs. Protein supports your immune system and helps build and maintain lean muscles. You can get protein from meats, fish, poultry, eggs, soybeans, quinoa, and peas. Fats are essential too. Avoid the unhealthy saturated kind and go for that fat that'll protect your heart. You can find healthy fats in salmon, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
There you go. Pakiulit nga natin yon, guys. Good nutrition is a choice, di ba? Choose Herbalife Nutrition. So, nag-shake na ba kayo dyan? Ako, I'm having my shake now. Sige po, so let's move forward. Okay. Ngayon, eto na. According to Dr. David Heber, okay, you can't lose abdominal fat with diet alone. Di ba? So, ang kailangan po ay mag-exercise to burn it off while building up your muscle. So, kaya nabanggit ko kanina, balanced nutrition and healthy and active lifestyle. Ngayon, anong great news, di ba? As you know, here at Herbalife, yung sa nutrition support natin, great, okay, perfect, ayan. But please take note that we also have an amazing community support. Okay, nakasama nyo sa journey nyo. So, nandito po sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. Join us every Thursday. This is a free workout with either Coach Melba, Coach Louie, or Coach Chow. Every Thursday morning po yan. Wala po tayong FB Live nito. So, kailangan po talagang pumasok kayo sa Zoom. Alright, ngayon, Coach, di kami nakaabot dun sa alas 8 ng Thursday. No problem. You follow Herbalife YouTube channel. Okay, mag-subscribe kayo dyan. Kasi dito din po, you would be able to see a lot of fitness videos na pwede po ninyong masundan. Diba? So, ito po ay, what do you call this? Sports science-based din na mga klase ng workout. Hindi lang basta napag-isipan no? o nagawa. Diba? So, sports science, ano po yan? No? Ng mga exercises po. So, don't miss that one. Okay? So, yan po siya. At syempre, no, in choosing, again, your nutrition support partner, just like what we do, no? So kami, this is our nutrition support partner for life na po, no? We're just so excited for the future. No, bakit naman, no? Herbalife is #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being. Tapos, ito pa, di ba, #1 in the world din siya sa active and lifestyle nutrition. This is really a nutrition for our best lives. It has been changing people's lives for more than 40 years. No, so it's just so amazing. Tapos, na-recognize pa siya na super brand. Ibig sabihin, guys, kung ano yung dineliver, kung ano yung pinramis ng particular product na yon, di ba? Dinedeliver po niya. Kaya meron po tayong seal of product quality. No? So, yeah. So, with that being said, let me turn you over back. Ayan, to one of my sisters, no? Coach Laurie. Thank you so much, sis.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Coach Tin. So,